This video is sponsored by Value Testers. For a complete line of specialty work-related tools, biggest selection, and best pricing, when you need to upgrade your tools, think Value Testers. Create a free login for best pricing. Link in description below. Morning, guys. August 21st, 2018. This one here, I got a call for no hot water. I know that she's got an oil-fired boiler down there with a storage tank, so we'll have to see what's going on there with that. I was just there recently working on the air conditioner. Well, we'll have to see what's going on down there. Just called me this morning. No hot water. The power vent is running. Sometimes that
What's this?
wait, a guy left there flipping tools here again. Look at this. Guys are terrible. Push that red button right there. Should fire. See that red button? Push it in.
Why should?
Yeah, push it. Push it.
All right.
Let it go.
Oh, when that light's on, you're supposed to push the button.
Yeah, that's the safety. We'll see how it's running. It might need a cleaning. How long's it been? Well, it was here last year. We'll have to check it. We'll have to check the filter and the nozzle. You think them guys might have hit this? They were here yesterday putting the pumps in.
Yeah, they were.
If they would have hit this on accident, it would have tripped. See how I just did that?
Yeah.
That's what it might have been. They were putting these pumps in, right? With the you said yesterday?
Yeah.
From Pioneer. They might have put something on here and tripped it. No nozzle, no filter, no expansion tank. I did that last year. That all looks good. That's possible. You know? That little lever right there. You hit that lever. You put something on there, a box on there or something.
Yeah.
Or any kind of anything. I mean, it would trip it.
Okay. Maybe that's what happened.
So you know next time if there's a problem, you push that red button there. Okay. That's a safety. You could push that one time. If it starts and shuts off, don't push it a second time. But if you push the button and it starts and it runs okay, it's fine. What I'm saying is, I don't want you to keep hitting the button 3-4 times in a row, because if it don't start, you're pumping oil into there. Mm-hmm. You know what I'm saying?
I guess so.
No, I'm trying to try to explain it to you. You could hit the button one time.
Right.
But I don't want you to hit it 3-4 times in a row.
Okay.
Because then if it don't start, you're dumping oil into there for 45 seconds before it shuts off.
Okay.
So if you hit it 4 times 45 seconds, that's like 2-3 minutes of oil getting dumped in there.
Okay.
And then it'll flood. It could flood it. So that's a safety to stop it from flooding.
Okay.
The boiler to keep it from filling up with oil and oil running out. Type
If
of
I
thing.
see the light on, I should press the button.
One time.
One time.
Yeah. Okay. We got oil. We got water pressure in there, so that's all it was. Those guys were here. Putting these pumps in yesterday. Pumps and the batteries. Quite the setup, huh? Wow. You're gonna have to get a second job just to pay for this thing. This is gonna be a call for heat right here. The high limit, it's gonna be calling. Pre-ignition, 3 seconds. Delayed oil valve, 15 seconds for delay oil valve. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition. Houston, we have ignition.